beautiful family, lovers of good things, lovers of important personnel all over the globe. I bring greetings from a grateful heart. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, depending on your time zone. Thank you for your love. Thank you for your support. I just can't thank you enough. So in this platform, we react to all videos and we give you all the latest updates. In fact, we draw the world closer to your doorstep. So please watch this video and I will be watching it with you. Don't forget, drop your opinion in the comment section and I'll be right back.
This morning, where I say I will share with you. Maybe you not hear the news. I say make I carry my Ogbonge voice. Come tell you now. Waiting the presidency and the governors, the plan in Nigeria. This news came yesterday. Now hear me? Welcome to my platform. Once again, share the video and comment. The President Bola Tinubu, governor meets in Abuja, consider setting up state police. Yes, so Nigerian governors to meet in Abuja to set up state police. And I'm going to tell you what they plan to do. They want to set up state police so they can be going from shop to shop and force people to reduce the cost of product, which is wrong. You see, sometimes I think, I will come to look and say, who is giving these people ideas? Please, if I'm wrong, tell me. How can you police? I mean, it's not making sense. The governors and the presidents are going to meet in Abuja, meeting regularly to set up police that will go to shop and tell people to reduce their price because of the food crisis. Not be waiting they buy, they go sell. You buy what you sell. What is actually controlling the currency? What is controlling the currency? Good morning. The importation of goods in dollars. Dollar control the currency. Who owns the dollar? Who have that dollar? Let me explain to you how. The reason why Nigerian economy is dying. The same people who are certain meetings own the dollars. They don't have cash. If any dollar when they enter Nigeria, if the money is not circulating, I'm not an economy. I'm going to tell you a little bit of what I know. Because 99% of economy in the world is controlled by dollar. They have imports and exporters in the country. The more you export, you bring in dollars into the country. Now, the country don't even have dollars. We don't have dollar because we are not bringing in, except some like crude oil and some few things. People where they go like us where they abroad now. Now they bring money home, and in fact we are just doing wire transfer. But there must be. Let me just go to the straight and tell you the reason why Nigerian economy is very, very difficult now. All the dollars that are coming into Nigeria are being kept by the same elite. When the money is not circulating, there is tendency to be a problem. Because those that are buying the dollar to go China and bring something, it's still going to be difficult for them. The same price they are selling cement or selling rice in Nigeria is not the same they are selling in Ghana. It's not the same they are selling in Ivory Coast. It's not the same they are selling in Cameroon. Don't let them gaslight you and tell you that, oh, even in other countries, things are... No. Things, for only 1 week, things skyrocket now. 45 to 50%. This past week, things when we say that they sell 1,000, it's already like 2,000. What is your own take? Do you think policing people to reduce the price of costs, it's not going to be possible? I want you to understand that it starts from transport. You mean where I open shop, they do business. The cost of transport, I go enter motor, go buy them. The cost of transport to bring my goods. And the cost that I'm going to buy is going to be higher. The end users will go buy last. Now here I go put the money on top. Make you not forget, say my landlord self. Now so it affect everything. Make you not forget, say my landlord for shop where I get. The roof go leak, I go tell the landlord, make it come change up. You see, it affects every aspect of life. It's not going to work. But I mean, it doesn't sound well. that you go from state, you go from shop to shop and ask people, how much are you selling Maggi? And you tell them how much they're supposed to sell the Maggi. Why the costs of the product is high. Even the company, you cannot tell the company how much they are going to sell, because the product that they are buying from outside. Let me use Maggi as an example. I believe that Maggi is produced in Nigeria. What about the materials used? Me, I'm kind of confused too. But I'm just telling you that these people don't know what they are doing. Tinubu doesn't know what he's doing. The governor doesn't know what they're doing. The House of Assembly don't know what they're doing. The lawmakers, all of them, they don't know what they are doing. And they talk and see my face. Una don't know what they do. I'm not talking say I sabi o, but I tell una say una don't know what they do. Now the same una we carry dollars hide. Dollar no dey for bank. Money, even our currency itself no dey for bank. We are on a state of emergency. Make una open border. Do you know what your presidency is saying? He said, no. We have open border. They close the common border where people go enter, go and bring food in another country. If hungry, they wire person go another place, go beg for food so that he will stay alive first. Cotonou border is there. If people go there with 100,000 naira, they go buy something, come home. That is how to save the people. Oh, you people say, okay, we are on emergency of agriculture. Agriculture emergency. Do you know how long it takes for cassava to grow? What, before that cassava grow, people don't buy? Before that tomato grow, people don't buy? What is wrong with these people? When you are in a state of emergency like this, you open the border, give people more license to bring things in. It is only Dangote that is bringing things. Make I tell you, a lot of food where they eat, where they come from our overseas, it's only Dangote that is giving the license. There's no competition. Only Dangote is selling cement. There's no competition. Only Dangote is bringing salt. It's no competition. Only Dangote is bringing sugar. There's no competition. In a country that is multinationals, they're supposed to be giving license to everybody. If they give me license now, they give Dangote, they give another person. I feel bring my sugar, come they sell them 1 naira. Another person feel come they sell less or more. You don't understand. If competition there, all these countries, they are competition. Competition of imports. Once you are qualified and you have the license, they give to you. It opens doors. It makes things even cheaper. There's going to be a competitive system. I don't understand. Let them open that Cotonou border, make rice enter. Plenty rice there. Even the state of emergency farming, where did they talk? Where are we going to go and farm? When there's insecurity everywhere. When we talk, we go talk, say make we not talk for social media, we want to jail all of us. So if you talk and talk about the presidency, they are going to lock you. We want to regulate social media. And you guys don't know what you're doing. If you know what you're doing, I wouldn't be here this morning talking about you. What is wrong? It's not going to help the situation. I'm saying it and I'm saying it right. Not be say my head no correct. I don't go school reach you now. But waiting at the tell you, I say it is not going to work. That is not how it works. We have a problem in that. I'm not in Nigeria. I tell you now, I'm a Biafra. Because I'm a multi. I speak on any topic that I want to speak. Go and bring experts. All of you are waiting for position. You don't deserve to be on that position. You people are not deserve to be on that position. You are not deserve them. If you can sit down in 6 months and solve the problem of hunger crisis, you have a problem. Ghana is there. Cotonou is there. Especially Cotonou. Cotonou there is there. Then they get their cost of import is very, very import. Their cost of import is very, very low. If na motor you won't carry enter, hungry not be their problem for Cotonou. I'm not saying they are perfect 100%, but food I don't think saying be problem for Cotonou. We could have saved the life of people. People they die of hunger. Open that border, make people bring food. Everything. Thank you, my brother. When they talk about Mazinam Dekano, they carry somebody when they say he get brain, when they tell them what to do. Make una divide the country, make we start afresh. Una go take it until people die finish. You see, make I tell una the problem where we get. You see, nobody is exceptional. You see, all those elite when they see so, all of them get house abroad. Many of them get private jets. We are not waiting because of this Biafra agitation. Make I tell you the problem of Nigeria, sir. You see, because of the Biafra agitation, now so Nigeria going to get problem. They go. Please make una look my face, talk and well. You see, all of them they hide money. They are not hiding naira. Those where they hide naira, they hide. Those where they hide now dollar, they hide now. Now make this crisis no go end. Every dollar where they come Nigeria, they are not ready to dispose them to the public. They are keeping the money. It's either they're taking the money out of the country again through their agencies. Say they want to go and invest. One. Two, they hide them somewhere so the money is not going to circulate. Even the naira itself is not circulating. Ask yourself, upon all the money where Emefiele print, where is the money? Are they burning the money? No. Everybody they fear say Biafra go come. Biafra go come. Let's hide the money. And they are hiding in dollars. I don't trust anybody don't talk this thing where I talk. I will tell you now this is the honest truth. They know. Some of you, many of you know they for Twitter. Now if you are not on Twitter, you don't know what is happening. There's crisis going on in southeast Nigeria. Gradually, when I feel they call people when I feel they call Biafra agitators say they know well. Yeah, it's okay, you can say anything. They know where, they don't know what they do. They are hitting the economy of Nigeria hard. Yes. And then when the elites come, they help the situation. When you don't hard like this, one, now they make it hard though. Now the elite, they make it hard. They are hiding money. The money is not circulating. There's no money in the bank. The bank rely on people like us. At the end of the month, Solomon will send money. Another person will send money. They rely on us where they are abroad. Our bank, Nigerian bank. Now we be their pillar. Nigerian bank, we are the pillars. We went there abroad. Who go send $200? Go send. Who go send 100? Who go send 500? Who go send 1,000? That's where one build house. The one where the medicine, where in Mama they people will go school, people will go buy book, people will go pay school fees for, people will go rent for, people will go. Now we wait there abroad. Now we be the pillar of the bank. If you don't know, go ask the economy. Go and ask the economy experts. They are going to tell you, say, people wait there abroad. Now then, that money will they remit every month. Now, your senators are earning like 25 million, 30 million. Can they really spend all that money in a month? No. No, they can't. The moment they get that money, they withdraw the money, go and change it to dollars, and keep the money. Send the money abroad. You know, say they don't buy house abroad. The money they go abroad for investment in the name of they carry the companies that is not on their name. Carry the money, say that they go invest for their company. They want to go and now so the money they go abroad. The money that they hide them for their houses abroad, not even in Nigeria. You guys don't know. The same people where they run up and down, now them be your problem. Now them be the problem. They don't know what to do. They know what to do. But they know everybody just they pretend. They are all pretenders. May they go bring all those dollars where they hide. Let me teach you how country grows. If money is not circulating in a country, the economy is going to go worst. Circulation of money. I be tailor. People when they import clothes, they import clothes. No, don't let me use that analysis. Let me use market women. Make I use market women for this analysis. Woman where they sell pure water. If you don't sell, you go Mama Put go buy food. No. Now when you sell, you go still go patronize another person. The money will move. Mama where they sell put, where that woman for pure water come buy pure water. I mean the woman where they sell pure water, where people come buy, they can't get money go for Mama Put. People will be baba. As he bab, you go Mama Put. Okay, let's say everybody go Mama Put. Mama Put will get money. Mama Put go still go market again. You go still go patronize people where they sell Maggi. You go patronize people where they sell salt. I don't know if this analysis really makes sense to you. Because the money is not circulating. It's not circulating. It's not. Because the money have to move, the movement of money, the money have to move from one person. You go move to mechanic. From mechanic, you go move to mama where they sell pure water. From mama pure water, you go sell to who they sell Coca-Cola. From person, you go enter transporters. You go enter person where they sell fuel. You go enter person where they sell groundnut oil. You go enter person where they sell red oil. Now so the money they move. As I know, if I don't see, I don't go buy. If I don't see, I don't buy. That's how it works. If I don't see money, I won't buy. I will just stagnant. No matter what I sell, even if I no one buy that thing, I go be. But I don't know. This is. Let me show you something. See this shoe. Look at it very well. If the money is not circulating, this person no go drop this shoe outside because the money is circulating. Now he know that he's going to go and buy another one because the money is circulating. Now, why did they sell this thing? If money not circulate, this person no go throw away this thing outside though. I just found this today. Because the money is circulating, person where they sell this thing, he go sell because this person don't put an outside and say, oh, you could go outside, you could go buy another one. You no go wait until this thing old before you buy another one. You no go wait until it old before you buy another one. You no go wait until it old. You go put anything where you like, go put them for street. Circulation. Let me show you. Let me show you guys another thing. Wait, hold on. This is mayonnaise. Did you see the mayonnaise? Somebody put it here because he have money to buy another one. Yes, somebody put it here. Now, if you check here, you are going to see it's going to expire on the 3rd of March, 2024. Right? It's going to expire. But because the money is circulating, he has money to buy another one. You don't have to manage. You have to put it outside. Somebody fit come where you say no fit, you know you need this thing before the expiring date. We still have like 3 weeks. Is it 3 weeks? Yeah, we have like 3 weeks for expiring dates. Now, another person where we say no get money at that moment, fit carry out. Now, what they call circulation of currency. If money not circulate, you no go drop this thing because you no go fit afford to buy another. We go manage that. Even if you expire, you go still. I don't know if that makes sense to you, Nasha. I don't know if I'm making sense to you guys. I don't know if I'm making sense. See, make I tell you now. Bola Ahmed Tinubu, governors, you know go work. That's the way when the plan no go work. When I want to police, okay, let me go through this thing from now. They say, wait till the press. President Tinubu, governors meet in Abuja, consider setting up state police. How do you think that is going to work? Do you think that's a good idea? Because when you go from shop to shop to tell them that is not how to regulate economy. Our economy is based on dollars. First of all, the insecurity in Nigeria, the kidnapping alone, the food crisis will not stop. From all the money where they hide, carry go abroad, they dig underground, they put money. The food crisis will not stop. Now, when I don't go, they hide the money for shipping to 43%. We still they complain, say money no day. When I go, they hide the cost of shipping to 43%. Who did this to us? We can tell you now one thing. As long as you guys put mass in Americano there, you ain't seen nothing yet. We never see anything. Not be only on the suffer. Are they among where they suffer? Make una no say things say I know they among. If I make $1 today, they send them home. That $1 is not enough for anything. Not the rich. If I give somebody ₦1 before, now 10 naira now. Make I tell you now. That suffer, we never suffer rich. If we suffer rich, we go stand up and start to talk about revolution. Some of you now, we go to gas us. Say, Solomon, why don't you come back? You are up there, you are come and fight. I can never fight for you, bro. In a million years, in 10 years to come, if you don't stand up to fight, you go still see me for social media here. They talk the same thing. Me, I still get chance pass you. I go work, I go chop. I feel no get money, but you go see me, I go to shine. I go to shine. That is if you go still there alive in the next 10 years. They go tell you say, they make you no fight. Nobody should go to the street. The police, oga, oko fuberi kamado na hun, ofuberi. Ekan lokunrin ku, ekan. I don't want my children to suffer what I suffered. We should all stand up. I'm doing my own good. You will do your own as you did. So where you did, do your own. You know say we went there abroad. Now we go to tell you now. When I go there for now, you say, hey, you're causing problem in Nigeria. Keep quiet there because you are in Israel. Because you people are in America. Okay, our own, it better. But now we they feel the pain pass you when the hungry. Say, oh no. Nigeria go better. Make we they pray. Keep praying. Good luck. Keep praying, bro. I wish you good luck. Keep praying. You don't need to talk. After Tinubu, the next presidency, by that time, your beer go down white. You know, see, 40 years you never marry. They still they pray. God will come. God is not gonna come and give you the car key. God is not gonna come and open the door and say, this is your house. No, not be on a photo. I don't tell you now before, say, everybody way poor for Nigeria, not be your fault. Because the economy is not designed to make you rich. You don't have to be a millionaire. Anybody will fit chop 3 times a day, you are able to pay your bills, pay the school fees, and use car in Nigeria. You don't have to be rich. Look at all these people you see here. They are not millionaires, but they can afford to go outside and throw a shoe worth of $100 on the streets. I say they can afford to go to the street and drop anything that worth money on the street. Like, I don't need this anymore. Every day, they are not rich. Make I go dash somebody money, will be go. I don't dash person money, no collect them. They come, they look me whether I know where. I swear, inside the shop here, an old woman who was trying to buy things in the supermarket was looking. He asked them, how much is this one? They tell her the price. She returned it. I was considering paying for the woman. I said, let them bring it. I want to pay for the woman. All of them begin to laugh me. What did you say? Yeah, I want to help the woman to pay. They said the woman should pay for you. She's well taken care of by government. You're working. She's not working. She has money. She doesn't want to buy it. I said, are you serious? Then they told the woman she should come. That this guy say he want to pay for it. He just laughed and turned away. They have multiple cards. Where they take back. In fact, they get special card as an elder. If you're a senior citizen, you get special card where you say, if they sell Maggi 5 naira, mama no go buy them 5 naira. They go give them discount, automatic discount with that card. If they don't release, make una better bet. If they don't release Mazin Nnamdi Kanu, Nigeria is going to go down in flame. That is the prophet there. All una pastors not be prophets. None of una pastors be prophets. Which Mazin Nnamdi Kanu? None of them ever prophesied what goes on in Nigeria. That is the only man who prophesied 12 years ago. Until today, everything is happening. Before the crisis of kidnapping, before the crisis of jihad, before the crisis of Boko Haram, 15 years ago, this man went to America and talked to the Igbo elite. I mean, the Igbo businessmen, the Igbos in diaspora. Please, there's something coming on in Nigeria. They are going to start kidnapping. They are going to start to Kpai people. This and this is going to happen. They say, get out of here. Get out of here. That's what they told Mazin Nnamdi Kanu. What is happening now? They are keeping it in dungeon there. And they think Nigeria go better for Nigeria. You go better for una wey be human being. No. Una wey be human being go better for una. If I talk say you no go better for Nigeria, no mean say I say you no go better for una. No. There is Nigerians and there is Nigeria. Nigeria go, you know go better. That name, Nigeria, you know go better for her. But una wey be Nigerians, it go better for una. Even me, I not be Nigeria. Me, I not be Nigeria. So I no go there here come the cost una. Now Nigeria, that name, that business name where we both can carry give us. Any day we're hungry, don't catch all of us. We go begin to protest. Even us, where the diaspora go come join you. If una no start and we no go join you. Make una dey there. Abi, make una dey there. They wait for us now. Those where the diaspora, we don't take the risk. Where we fit take. If una stand up, we too go follow una. Revolutionize. I don't talk my own. That's shop to shop where they won't go. you know, go work. Those people, they take narcotic. You see, all those people where they will be on elite, they take drug. Because I don't see how you want to go to shop to shop. Can you imagine if there's fresh crisis in America or fresh crisis in London? Say you are going to go to shop to shop. It's just food. It's just item coming from the sky. Stuff coming from the sky. You can't even tell a driver how much. It's all start from transport, sir. Now transport, that fuel when they sell high. How can you be?
So my wonderful family, that brings us to the end of this update. Do well to like the video, share, and subscribe. Thank you, and bye-bye.